In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to MailerLite with Zapier in just a few minutes. If you want to automatically send new Typeform responses into your MailerLite audience, this setup is a simple and reliable way to do it. The idea is straightforward. Whenever someone submits your Typeform, Zapier will catch that new entry and then create or update that person as a subscriber in MailerLite. This saves time, reduces manual work, and helps keep your email list organized. To begin, open Zapier and create a new Zap. For the trigger app, choose Typeform, then select the trigger event called New Entry. This tells Zapier to watch your form for every new submission. After that, connect your Typeform account if needed, and make sure you select the correct form you want to use. It's always a good idea to confirm you're working with the right form before moving on, especially if you have several forms in the same account. Next, set up the action. For the action app, choose MailerLite. Then select the action event Create or Update Subscriber. This is an important choice because it allows Zapier to either add a brand new contact or update an existing one if that email address is already in your MailerLite account. That helps prevent duplicates and keeps your subscriber information current. Once that's done, choose your target MailerLite group. This is the group where new Typeform contacts will be added. Picking the right group is useful for organization, segmentation, and future email campaigns. So make sure it matches the purpose of your form. For example, you might want responses from one form to go into a specific interest group or sign up category. Now map your fields carefully. In the MailerLite setup, map the email field from Typeform to the subscriber email field in MailerLite. Then map any supplementary custom questions from your Typeform to the corresponding custom fields in MailerLite. This step is what transfers useful details beyond just the email address. So take a moment to match each field properly. Clear field mapping makes your subscriber profiles much more valuable later when you want to personalize emails or segment your audience. Finally, publish your Zap. Once it's live, every new Typeform entry will automatically flow into MailerLite